Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I'm so hungry right now. I feel like I'm about to faint. I think my sister's grabbing us lunch, but I'm starving. I had such an intense workout this morning and my body is just burning through all the calories that I've eaten today. But I had to introduce you guys back to another vlog. I am about to make some chickpea pasta salad. I'm boiling my water. I just wanted to have like a nice high protein lunch that I could keep in the fridge. And this has so much protein and I don't have to cook chicken or whatever every day. So I'm going to show you guys how I make it. It's like a nice, easy, healthy little lunch to keep in the fridge for the next couple days. So obviously start out by boiling your water. Here are all the veggies that I chopped. I have red pepper, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and then I chopped up some feta cheese. Noodles are done, and then this is the dressing we use, Italian dressing from Primal Kitchen. They have like the cleanest ingredients ever, so I really like using their dressings. So just letting the pasta cool down a bit and drain. And then I'm going to make my homemade almond milk. I just posted a video on how to make homemade almond milk. So if you're interested in doing that, I will link that below. And yeah, we are having a cooking, getting shit done morning this morning. So, going to assemble my pasta now. Milk is all done. I love starting my week off to set me up for success. It is literally the best feeling ever. Lunch is done, almond milk is done, we got the dishwasher going, my sheets are being washed in the laundry room right there. So I'm about to head to the gym now and just set the tone for a super productive week. Tonight for dinner I made a homemade branzino, some potatoes, and then a salad with green pepper, tomatoes, onion, cucumber, I think I said green pepper, and feta cheese. So good. You guys, my dinners this week, I have to say, are pretty damn next level. You guys, I am getting rid of more clothes and things yet again. The amount of clothes that I've gotten rid of this year, I truly don't know how I have anything left in my closet. This is nothing. I've gotten rid of so much stuff, it's disturbing. And every single day when I go in my closet, I find another thing that I don't want anymore. And I have like 500 Bath & Body Works freaking perfumes. A lot of them smell like straight alcohol. They're just old. This curling iron I never ever use. This blush I've never used. Like, just stuff that I don't need. And I hate clutter. I cannot function clutter. So I'm like, why am I just keeping this here? Acting like I'm going to use it someday. So this is your sign to get rid of the stuff that you no longer use or wear or want, because we need a clutter-free year. I act like it's still like the beginning of the year. I mean, it is, but not like that beginning of the year. But yeah, I feel so much better getting rid of these things, and I'm going to look around my house and see if there's anything else for me to get rid of. So I just got back from Target. I picked up this Borax detergent booster that I've heard so many good things about, and it's supposed to be natural, I believe. I normally put baking soda on every single one of my loads of laundry, so I thought I would just try this for a change, and I guess you can use it for other household cleaners and stuff. So if you use it for anything else, let me know so I can give it a try. And then I stopped by Sephora, which I really didn't need to. And I got a brush. It's supposed to be a foundation brush, but I'm using it for blush. And then I got this new moisturizer. I use the other fresh one. It's like rose something, and I really love it. So I'm like, let me try another one from the brand and see how I like it compared to the rose. And then I got this NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush. I use their regular Orgasm blush every single day. And I really want to try the liquid one because I've seen it all over TikTok. I'm actually going to open it up real quick. So, I mean, it looks so pretty, but you will definitely see how it looks on. This lighting is not good. Yeah, let me go in the kitchen where it's a little bit brighter. Okay, yeah, I cannot find good lighting, but yeah, I'm excited to try this. I will definitely give you guys an update on this. Oh, and I brought, let me show the brush too while I'm here. I brought the brush to stipple it on. Kind of hard to tell, but hopefully it's a nice one dabble it on with. So we will see how I like it. So in one of my last vlogs, I got this tray in. I was telling you guys my vision that I was going for with this. And we got the books. My sister hates that they're like perfectly, whatever you want to call it, perfectly aligned. But they looked really weird staggered. I feel like I like them straight, but let me know. Then we have this. I hate this foxtail. It looks terrible. We need to get rid of that. Do something new with that. The vase, I feel like I'm over. But the tray, I really like the tray. Getting rid of these because it's just... meshing against each other. I got my cute little, what is this called? Wick snipper or something like that. And my little candle. But, yeah, these need to go. I'm either gonna do coasters or those cool, matches that you see everywhere. But I feel like I like this. It's very simple. I keep nothing under here now besides my little massage gun, but it's so much simpler and cleaner. I hate dusting things for no reason. So I want to have as minimal things as possible. I have to share my newest obsession with you. I have this Yeti that I'm obsessed with that I put a bunch of ice in, water, and this little straw to drink in all day. And normally I just drink water out of my glass cup. But this keeps it so cold, and I don't know what it is. I love carrying it around with me all day long. And I know they make these separate attachments for the Yetis with the straw. And I should probably get that so I could take this everywhere with me, like when I leave the house. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Don't know why I haven't thought about that till now. But anyways, I just washed all the dishes from dinner. I am like so tired tonight. I don't know why. I've been recording YouTube videos and editing and stuff like that, but I think I'm just gonna take a shower now and read a book and unwind. I am so tired. But yeah, I don't know why I want to tell you guys about my straw and Yeti thing so bad, but we're about to get a really bad storm coming in on Wednesday and Thursday, and my nail broke, and this one is lifting up. I don't know if you can tell. So all my hair is getting caught in it, so I don't know if I can reschedule my appointment or not. So I'm just rambling for no reason, but I just don't want to be traveling in a snowstorm. Also, I just packaged up all of my things that I have to return to UPS. I'm literally trying to get all of my errands done for the week so I don't have to go in the snowstorm. But I literally should just get a job at UPS at this point because I'm literally there like every week. I feel like it's ridiculous. Maybe I should stop buying things. But yeah, about to wash my face and get ready for bed. Peace.